Alright, this is Deva one, and this morning, I make you know what go on. Come on, one people have the same problem. And you know, right? Listen, me, Jamaican people, make me tell you, we have a dirty, stinking habit. You know what I like for them? When you no love one them come a foreign, or when people come a foreign, the same day them come, or 2 days after, you no call them and a beg. It no work so. More on understand saying a work so. Una call about picnic figure school and member send a thing. What kind of thing? Uno they send people up here straight in a job. Foreign hard. And also your work. Every bill have to pay. Anywhere you sleep. And also you go. And when people walk and look 20 and 30 of their family and send it back. Or sometimes they get a bills and send it back. Uno no member fi call and so uno get it. You understand? A WhatsApp you no send it no. Please call me no. And when you no send it, is a lucky Western Union have courtesy. Thank you for using Western Union if you don't have a good phone. So, if a person have a good phone, then we hear that. When a person left Jamaica and set up something down there, that means that when the people them up here, we don't have to stress them. We know say bad. We know we left down there. You understand? Road bad, things bad. We are going to set on after we get set. People need a break. Couldn't make it like money and fall off a tree. I want to know. Uno no have no good behavior. There's some dirty behavior. And the thing about you don't want people pack all type of things to barrel and send down there. And when you no send it down there, uno not even want to say thanks. Uno shouldn't send this and uno shouldn't send that. Better with the buyer Jamaica. One never send the money. Why the F uno never come pick it up on yourself? And that me I try tell uno. Uno talk about uno want this a phone and that the phone. You know people have the phone for him. Some are head off. And some are walk off the phone. Not because me have an iPhone. You no need to cut it out. When people come here, you no call back so quick. You no call back so quick. Wait till the people them get a job. Wait till them sort out themselves. Them come just for a short time for a visit, you say. It's so hard to get the visa out of line. People are sweat just to get a visa. And you know done this. So. When they come America again and reach over here, is another interview before them step outside. And when them step outside, no money tree now out there. When some man come down the yard, the jugs money where they sell and come